He's such a gentleman. No, glass.
Yeah, I'm from the South.
Yeah.
That's all I'm going to say. It's true. I find they're very much like that.
Yeah, it's nice. Like I noticed, like even when you go to the South and like a guy's trying to hit on you, it's like so much more polite than like being in the North. Just like, hey baby, or, like it's just like I can gracefully be like, no thank you, and like go about my day and not be like, F you.
Yeah. We just did an implementation, software implementation in Marion, Virginia. And they were Miss So-and-so and Miss Jennifer and Miss...
Oh, it's so
like,
nice.
so polite.
Yeah, it's so nice. Five, four, three, two, one. Blast off.
Make her laugh.
You're a fine job. She's got it.
She's a pro.
Flair.
So we go to our mission now, right?
Yeah, mission's next. Lunar Mission Specialist is ready to go. Lunar Mission Specialist is ready to go. Wait, it's Lunar Mission Specialist 5. I'm already messing up.